Okay, we have our motor hung. They give us a hook to hang it on so we can do our wiring. At this point, the most important part of the ceiling fan is done. You pick the right fan, you mount in the fan base to the box and to something secure on both sides, either wood, you can use toggle bolts, or even mount into your wood lap. And make sure it is secure and never falls. So we're going to do a little bit of wiring. We're going to hook all of our greens up in our bare wires. After you get past the wiring, it's pretty simple from there on up. So like always, we'll do our ground first. And of course we have to tuck these wires back up in this little hole the best we can. Okay, next we're going to hook up our white wire. We have 3 of those. We got one from these mini lights, one from our fan, and of course the one coming out of the ceiling. Alright, this wire gets hooked into the red wire, I believe, here. And that will power up these lights. Now the blue and the black here will get hooked together. And these are coming off the fan motor. And once the blue's for the light kit and the black is for the power of the fan. And of course we want to tuck these in here. And everything in our arrangement. And the last hookup is the black, the blue, and power from your switch. That'd be the black wire. So the black wire from your switch, the black wire from the fan, and the blue wire for the light kit. And of course the red wire will power these mixture lights. And you should do them in that order. You should get your ground up there first. Tuck your rods, tuck your whites, and then tuck your blacks. And do your best to feed them back up into their box. That's for them below. Okay, everything is wired up and ready to go. At this point, I want to turn on the switch and make sure we spin. So make sure everything's hooked up. Okay, let's do that quick. Okay, it spins. So we are wired up. Okay, our next step is to bolt our fan assembly. I give you 4 bolts here. And you put your nuts on them. Sometimes to make sure you're wiring and tucked up enough. Or a little not. Touch your fan. No, I had to backtrack a little bit because I made a mistake. I had to add these. I had to add these in because I forgot to put them in the beginning. It would have been easier to do them when it was on the ground, but so I had to backtrack a little bit and put those in what was up. But, because I moved near that, I just lowered it down a little bit and went ahead and screwed those in. A little socket and ratchet makes it a little easier. Okay, after I get these in, next thing I want to do is put my small lights in. Okay, everything's together. I'll check your wire and make sure it's stuck. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and put my lights in. And then we'll go ahead and put our glass base on and we'll go from there. Okay, we'll put our light bulbs in. No, not all panel fans have these. In fact, all the ones you might know, no. It would just be a brass base. So this all be brass. Those are the ones I see now. Okay, our light bulbs are in. Next thing you want to do is we'll put our glass base. Next we want to put our globe up. See? And there's a base plate to hold it up there. This is the part you don't want to drop. Might take a little bit to get that last one in place. Alright, I'm going to work on this last one. This might take a little bit. And then after that, we'll be ready to put up our